welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my front porch for 2024 for the fall season. I'm super excited. I think it turned out really sweet. Toned it down, changed it around. I bought nothing new this year, but just kind of rearranged how I use inside out. One of my big keys that I want to get across to you guys is thinking outside the box. How can you use maybe decor if it's safe, you know, with weather and whatnot, using some of your indoor decor outdoor if you have the space, you know, just really kind of thinking outside the box. And that is what I've done out here, and I'm super excited to share it with you. So let's get into it and let's get started and show you. Favorite things on my front patio is the white hutch, and being able to decorate it for every season or holiday. I highly recommend, if you have a covered space where it's not going to get, rained on or weathered on or that kind of thing. We get extreme heat. I'm in Arizona, and it has held up fine. I mean, it's out in the heat, but it's not out in the sun. If you have a space, I highly recommend. I mean, it has brought such interest and such, just really being different to this front patio. So I really do highly recommend, if you have the area, to try some kind of piece of furniture on your patio. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope, if anything else, you just got some ideas and just enjoyed a cup of coffee, or a cup of tea or some water, and just enjoyed watching and something nice on this corner of the internet. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.